For generations, we've been told breakfast is the most important meal, especially for those looking to shed pounds. This belief stemmed from the idea that breaking the overnight fast kickstarts metabolism and helps regulate blood sugar, preventing overeating later in the day. A hearty breakfast, the logic went, would provide the energy needed to power through the morning and make healthier choices throughout the day. This notion resonated with our understanding of the body's natural rhythms. After all, we wake up after hours of fasting, and our energy reserves naturally deplete during sleep. A morning meal seemed like the intuitive solution to replenish those stores and set ourselves up for a productive day. However, like many deeply ingrained health beliefs, the importance of breakfast for weight loss has come under scrutiny in recent years. As science delves deeper into the complexities of metabolism and weight management, a more nuanced picture has emerged, challenging the long-held throne of breakfast as the weight loss champion. Recent studies have begun to poke holes in the traditional breakfast narrative. While some studies show a correlation between breakfast consumption and a healthier weight, others suggest that the overall balance of daily intake, total calories consumed versus calories burned, matters more than the timing of meals. This research suggests that simply adding breakfast to one's routine without considering the overall dietary picture might not be the magic bullet for weight loss. In fact, some studies have shown that people who skip breakfast sometimes end up consuming fewer calories throughout the day, leading to modest weight loss. These findings highlight a crucial aspect of nutrition science. It's rarely about a single meal or food group. Our bodies are complex systems, and weight management is influenced by a myriad of factors, including genetics, activity levels, sleep patterns, and of course, overall dietary habits. While the jury might still be out on whether breakfast is essential for weight loss, there's no denying that a balanced breakfast can be a nutritious and energizing way to start the day. But it's all about making smart choices. Instead of sugary cereals or processed pastries, opt for whole, unprocessed foods that provide sustained energy and keep you feeling full and satisfied. A well-rounded breakfast should include a source of protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. Think Greek yogurt with berries and nuts, scrambled eggs with whole wheat toast and avocado, or oatmeal with chia seeds and fruit. These foods provide a steady release of energy, preventing blood sugar spikes and crashes that can lead to cravings and overeating later in the day. Remember, breakfast doesn't have to be a large meal. It's about listening to your body and choosing foods that nourish you and fuel your morning. Section 4. Fasting and Feasting. A modern approach. The rise of intermittent fasting, an eating pattern that cycles between periods of eating and voluntary fasting, has further challenged the traditional breakfast narrative. Intermittent fasting often involves skipping breakfast, extending the overnight fast for several hours into the day. Proponents of this approach claim it can promote weight loss, improve insulin sensitivity, and offer other metabolic benefits. While more research is needed to fully understand the long-term effects of intermittent fasting, some studies suggest it can be an effective weight management tool for some individuals. It's important to note that intermittent fasting is not a one-size-fits-all approach and might not be suitable for everyone, particularly pregnant or breastfeeding women, individuals with certain medical conditions, or those with a history of disordered eating. If you're considering intermittent fasting, it's crucial to consult with your healthcare provider to determine if it aligns with your individual health needs and goals. Section 5. Listen to your body, find your balance. The debate surrounding breakfast and weight loss highlights a fundamental truth about nutrition. There's no one-size-fits-all approach. What works for one person might not work for another. Our bodies are unique and our dietary needs vary based on our genetics, activity levels, lifestyles, and personal preferences. Instead of getting caught up in rigid dietary rules, it's essential to listen to our bodies and find what feels best for us. Some people thrive on a hearty breakfast, while others prefer a lighter start to their day, or choose to practice intermittent fasting. The key is to make informed choices that align with our individual needs and support our overall health and well-being. Ultimately, the key to weight loss lies in adopting a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle that incorporates regular physical activity, stress management, and adequate sleep. Whether you choose to enjoy a nutritious breakfast or opt for a later start to your day, remember to listen to your body, make informed choices, and find a sustainable approach that supports your long-term health and well-being.